forward, I feel, and also we should become friendly. And also yesterday in a preliminary discussion with Chief Minister, the loan that was taken by IDC to pay off the SEZ operators, we have now been given, in principle I have talked to the Chief Minister, CM will give the clearance in next couple of days, because the land is with IDC. 5 lakh square meter आम्ही जे अगेन्स्ट आम्ही पैसे घेतलेले ते बेगीन आम्ही ऑप्शन करून आम्ही ते पैसे पे बॅक करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा, बिकॉज अदर द मीटर इज टिकिंग अननेसेसरी. And additional land which is there with IDC, I have discussed in principally I want all of you to know that we are here running under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, a transparent government. We are running a government where we want something to happen in Goa. Yesterday also we had a brief chat saying that let us see what maximum we can get from the center in terms of this, and let us contribute our things in terms of the land, so that we can have projects here, so that we can create vibrancy, and IDC can once again come back to its older thing where we can create jobs. So we have Mr. Gadkari Sahib under this portfolio, they wanted a certain land allocation for 5 or 6 clusters like maritime cluster, food processing cluster, हे सगळे तयार करपाक. So I am going there in principle to finalize this, and if that finalized, then I will be open. After discussing, again I am mentioning, after discussing, I am going now to discuss these, whatever I have done my groundwork. After discussing, they require for 4 clusters, they require about 6 lakh square meters of land. But 80% funding will come from center in terms of infrastructure. So to get that, I am going there so that we are able to get a direction in how to move forward. And if we have the handholding of the center, then we will be able to do a better job. And I feel that these SEZ lands and all are there. All these SEZ lands which are there, they should be put to good use. I don't think we should get into that. We should see that people of Goa say yes, this government did the right thing by giving this land for this activity. It will not be given just because somebody wants to give land to somebody. We will not do it.